What is derivative? Derivative is the rate at which one quantity changes with respect to another. Geometrically, it is represented by the slope on the curve at that point on the curve. It is also called as instantaneous rate to change. Now let us see the graph of derivative. Here delta x represents the slightly increase in x, whereas delta y represents the slightly increase in y. The slope of the graph is given by delta y upon delta x, which is equals to the limit x tends to 0 f of x naught plus delta x minus f of x naught upon delta x, which is equals to the slope of the graph at x naught.
Oh God, this concept is so difficult. How can I arrange a 28 centimeter wire into square and a circle? Muskan, please help.
Here is the answer to your question. We have taken a wire which is of length 28 meter. We have taken its two parts. First part is of L length while the other part is of 28 minus L length. We will take L length and make it as a square while the other part is of 28 minus L, which we make it as in a circle. Then we will find the side of a square which is equals to L by 4. Then we will take R as the radius of the circle. Then we will equate the circumference of the circle to its length, which is equals to 2 pi R is equals to 28 minus L. Then we will get the value of R in the form of 1 by 2 pi 28 minus L. Then we will combine the areas of a square and the circle. We will get area is equals to side of the square whole square plus pi r square. Then we will substitute their values from the above following equation. Then we will get is equals to L square upon 16 plus pi bracket 1 upon 2 pi 28 minus L whole square. Then we will solve this equation and we will get L square upon 16 plus 1 upon 4 pi 28 minus L square. I'm sorry, my mother is calling me up for cleaning the room. My friend Niyati will continue with this. Thank you.
Wow, it seems like a nice question. So let's continue. Let's proceed. We'll first differentiate the area with respect to length and we'll get 1 by 8 minus 1 upon 2 pi into 28 minus L. Now we'll differentiate this quantity again and we'll get 1 by 8 plus 1 upon 2 pi, which is obviously greater than 0. On equating dA upon dL with 0, we'll get the length as 112 upon pi plus 4, which is the minimum value of wire required to make the square. Now as we know the total length of the wire was 28, so the length of wire required to make the circle would be 28 minus 112 upon pi plus 4, which is 28 pi upon pi plus 4. So that's the answer.
Derivatives, a part of calculus, is widely used in aerospace. In aerospace, the rocket mass constantly decreases as the fuel propellant is being burned off and it gets ignited. As a result, it acquires a very large acceleration, giving it a very high velocity. This exerts force on the rocket, which is called thrust force, that is the rate of change in momentum, which is the first derivative of momentum, and this is how derivative is used in aerospace.
In the business world, there are too many applications of derivatives, and one of the most important application is when the data is grouped in the form of table as in Excel, and when this data is grouped with the help of derivatives, we can find the points of loss and profit very easily for various.
One of the most basic example of differential equation is Malthusian law of population, that is dP upon dt is equal to RT, shows the population P change with respect to time. R is constant here, which will change on depending on the species. Malthus used this law to predict how the species would grow over time. More complicated differential equation can be used to model the relationship between predators and prey. For example, as predators increase, then prey decrease as more get eaten, but then predator will have less to eat and start to die out, which allows more prey to survive. The interaction between the two populations are connected by differential equation.
Minimum.
Derivatives, a part of derivatives.
Here, we will take the circumference of a circle as 2 by r.
चल 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 ना
Can you please explain me how to calculate?